So this investing company has made huge changes that I'd love to show off in this video. And this is one of my up and coming favorite companies to invest into. It is called Lightyear. Now, a lot has happened with Lightyear over the past couple of months since I made my last video. They have reached over $1 billion in customer assets, so they're no longer considered a small investing company. They've also just received $23 million in Series B funding. That's a lot of money for them to invest into the platform to make it better for everyone in Europe and especially UK. And speaking of the UK, they've made one big change that is going to be beneficial to everyone. So Lightyear have gone and removed their order fees in the stocks and shares ISA. So now when you buy a stock, you're no longer paying that order fee. Do bear in mind that fund manager fees, other fees such as FX fees still apply, and they apply across the board with all brokers. So here is my Lightyear stocks and shares ISA. I haven't completely maxed it out, but I am happy with my performance so far. As you can see, I am up by over 7.5%. Pretty happy with that so far. They've also done a nice rebrand of their app, making it even slicker than before if it wasn't already. Now, one thing that I've always liked about the Lightyear platform is their maximum and minimum prices. Now, this tells you over the selected time period, for example, the past week, the highest my portfolio has been and the lowest it's been. I really like doing that because what I like to do is to go into the 5-year graph and see when was my portfolio the highest. It was £21,229. As you can see, we're slightly below that today, but that's fine. I can show you here quickly my portfolio. I have one investment in the Invesco Nasdaq 100. Now, one thing that I also really like about Lightyear is it tells you when you bought and when you sold, so you can easily see on the graph those different figures. For me, it helps me keep track of my investments. It's really nice to see it on the graph. And in an especially volatile market, this can be really nice to see where you bought and sold. So as you can see, everything is revamped, even their explore page. Over here, you can discover new stocks to invest into. You can type in the company that you want. You can get inspiration from the top companies. All pretty standard stuff from stockbrokers we're used to. So what I want to show you is that if I go into a company, for example, Nvidia, there are a few new AI features which I think are really well implemented on the Lightyear app. Now, as you can see on the bottom, there is the ability to change the time axis, for example, 1 day all the way to maximum. It's really good to see that Lightyear has data all the way back from 2020. A lot of newer apps don't have that data. They start from something like 2012. Now, for the eagle-eyed among you, you can see there is also something next to max and it looks like a graph. You can see a new feature comes up called Why Did It Move? Now, let's change the time axis to 1 year to get a better look at this. Now, once you enable this, it uses AI to give you an explanation as to why the stock moved up or down in that selected time period. Let's go for a random one here. Let's press that. As you can see, it will give you an AI overview as to why that stock fell, for example, Nvidia at that time. So as you can see, in January of 2025, Nvidia stock declined approximately 11%, primarily due to the emergence of DeepSeek, which was, of course, one of their rival companies that people thought might overtake them. If you wanted to, you can read more about it, but I think this feature is very, very cool. Oftentimes, you might want to know why a particular stock is up or down, and this could really help in your investing journey to learn a bit more about why things are happening. And if you think that reason is good enough, maybe you can invest more or less depending on the situation. Now, as you can see on the companies, there is detailed information, for example, the market cap, the earnings per share, the PE ratio and stuff like that. You even get analyst ratings for free, so you can see, what analysts are talking about. Although I would always take this with a pinch of salt. Always do your own independent research before relying on others to do it, unless you are paying them in a professional manner. You can also see more of Lightyear AI features. You can see bulls say and bears say. So the reason as to why the company might go up or down, the bulls are the people who think the company is going to go up, and the bears are people who think the company is going to go down. In either way, it gives you a balanced rationale as to why this company may go up and down to help you make your mind up if you want to invest into this stock or not. Again, always do your own research before parting with your money. There's also analyst price targets and financials that you can look at, and you can just see from this graph the parabolic rise of Nvidia based on their revenue, which is pretty crazy to see. You can also see earnings, which usually have a big impact on the value of the stock, at least in the short term. You can see actual versus expected. When companies miss their earnings, sometimes that could have a huge up or down movement of the company. Again, past performance is no guarantee of future results. What I like about Lightyear is that you can make personal notes. For example, if I wrote to myself that I think Nvidia is a great buy at $1, so next time I look at this company, I can have my notes here that will help me decide whether or not to invest into that company. But anyway, one of the bigger pieces of news is that if I go in to buy Nvidia, for example, if I want to buy one share, I can press preview order. And now in the stocks and shares ISA, there is no longer an order fee, making it one of the cheaper platforms in the UK to invest. Remember, with ETFs, there is also no order fee, but fund manager fees and FX fees may still apply. For example, with Nvidia, if I wanted to buy that, there will be a foreign exchange conversion fee. And currently with Lightyear, that is 0.35% at mid-market rate. So if I'm happy with that, I can press confirm and buy that, but right now I think I'll save my money. You can try out Lightyear for yourself by using the code JUBAIR in the promo code section of the Lightyear app, or you can follow the link in the description box down below to get up to $115 worth of free US fractional shares. This will arrive in your general investment account, and remember, with investing, the value of your portfolio can go up and down, and all investing carries risk. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.